Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mazahid Khan,
नाम तो सुना होगा.
and in today's video we are going to talk about the top 3 business principles that I think every aspiring entrepreneur, including me, should know about. Now I have learned all these 3 principles at different phases of my life, but I think these are the most important principles that all of us should know. So without much ado, let's dive right inside the video. But before that,
just do me a huge favor and smash the like button.
and let's dive right in. Starting from the third one, keep your clients or customers before the service or product that you are offering. If you want to know the difference between clients and customers, it's very simple. Clients are the ones who purchase your services, which are high end, and customers are the ones who purchase your products, which are low end. Okay, so all of the services or products must be based on clients or customers and not based on your assumptions of what you think that the clients or customers might be needing. This is the number one mistake that I made, because of which 22 of my products that I made failed. So make sure you do your research before you start making your product or start framing your services. Base it on your clients and not on your assumptions.
Okay.
Coming up to the second most important business principle, compound interest. Now all of us have studied compound interest at the very beginning of our school lives as well. Like we studied it in class 4, 5, 6 until 10th, but we didn't even understand the importance of compound interest. Especially me, I understood the real importance of compound interest when I dived inside of this whole business world. I understood the in-depth knowledge of what compound interest is. In order to explain what compound interest is, I will give you a very short and sweet example that I found in one of the videos when I was researching about compound interest. So it goes like this. If I give you two options of getting money, I give you $10,000 right now, and I will give you 1 penny right now, which doubles itself every 3 days. Which one would you choose? $10,000, right? If I had no idea about compound interest, I would definitely choose $10,000. But here's the trick. This 1 penny, after every 3 days, it doubles itself. So after, let's say, 90 days, it will be worth more than $10 million.
Hey, that's pretty good.
If you think I'm just kidding, then you can do the maths and find it on your own. When I heard about this example, I did the maths, and it literally is above $10 million just after 30 days of doubling itself, which means it doubles itself after 3 days. So after 3 months, it will be worth more than $10 million. So that's the power of compound interest. If you want to know more about compound interest, then go ahead and do some research about compound interest. I also found this amazing quote which says, the people who understand compound interest receive it, and the people who do not understand compound interest pay it. And I really found it very, very fascinating. So you gotta understand compound interest if you want to receive it. Okay, so go ahead and do your research and find out more about compound interest. Let's dive into the most important business principle. So coming up to the most important business principle, which is Pareto principle. Pareto principle simply states that 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of the business activities. Now, when I read a book, I found out that 80-20 principle can be applied in almost any aspect of the life. No matter it is a world population, you can apply the same thing. 80% of the world's population reside in 20% of the country of the whole world, right? It doesn't have to be like 80 and 20 to be perfectly precise. It can be about 90-10, it can be about 70-30, but you get the point, right? Major part of your revenue, major part of the business activities, major part of your happiness comes from just 20% of whatever you are doing, right? So if you want to know how you can 80-20 your life, or how you can 80-20 almost every single aspect of whatever you are doing, then please give this book a read. This is a book by Richard Koch which says, at 80-20 your life, work less, worry less, succeed more and enjoy more. I will put the link down below for you to go ahead and check this book out, but it is an amazing book which talks about how you can 80-20 your whole life. Apart from that, Sabri Sugi took 80-20 principle one step forward by applying the Pareto principle to itself. What do I mean by this is he applied the 80% 80-20 rule to the 80-20 rule itself. Like 80% of 80% is 64% and 20% or 20% is 4%, right? So this simply means that 64% of your business revenue comes in from just 4% of the top activities that you're doing. Now he has explained more inside of this book, Sell Like Crazy. If you want to know more about this, then I will put the link down below. Go ahead and check this book out. It is crazy, it is amazing, and it tells you how you can apply this whole principle, take the Pareto principle one step forward and get it to your whole business activities, right? If you want to apply the same, what you can simply do is you can list down all the business activities, figure out which are the activities which is producing you revenue, and then the other things which are not producing you the revenue, which means that selling it to the customers or getting the products from the wholesale market and all of that stuff which is not producing you the revenue. Just automate all of the stuff, which is like automate 96% of your business activities and just focus on the top 4% which is actually producing revenue for your business, right? So I hope you like this principle.
Hey! 320,000 naira belongs to me. I'm rich. I'm rich.
That will be all for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, then make sure you put your views down in the comment section and also share it with your aspiring entrepreneur friends who really want to get inside of this whole business world. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. I put on videos on finances, business and sales funnel as well. So if these are the topics of your interest, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and connect to my channel. You can always connect to me on Instagram. I will be replying to all of you. So let's connect, and that will be all for today. I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep creating for a change.